Hi, and the snow begins. Look. Okay, we are almost at ground level on the driveway where it's been plowed, but then you can see it's not, the snowbank is melted, but I don't know if you can see the snow coming down. We're supposed to get up to, 18, 19 inches of snow. So, wish us luck. Snow update. Yeah, there's a little bit of snow and the drift. It doesn't look like much, but remember that was all the way down to the ground. That's like 6 or 8 inches deep. That was all the way down to the ground yesterday too. We got a wedge on the door. All right, bye.